Okay, so how do you use text-to-speech on a TikTok? This feature is great for adding an extra layer of creativity and also perhaps accessibility to your videos, so I'm gonna walk you through the steps. At first, we need to start by creating a video, so just get inside the TikTok app and press the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. This will allow you to either record a new video or upload an existing one. Once you've recorded or selected your video, press next to move into the editing phase. In the editing screen, you'll see a variety of options at the bottom of the screen, so tap on the text to add your text to the video. So you're gonna type in your desired text and everything, and you can choose all of the available tools to style it as you like. You can of course change the font, color, alignment, and stuff like this, but once you're done, just hit the done button. After adding your text, you'll need to position it on the screen, so you can drag the text box to place it anywhere within the video frame. Now, to enable the text-to-speech feature, press and hold down the text box until the text-to-speech option appears. Select this option and TikTok will automatically read your text aloud when the video plays. This feature is really useful for making more content a little bit more engaging, as I said. So once you've set it up, you're almost ready to post your video, so perhaps do some other adjustments like caption, hashtags, and then you can just post the video to TikTok. Additionally, in case you don't want to do it directly through the TikTok app for whatever reason, you can download the CapCut video editor, and in there you can do the very similar thing of adding text and choosing the text-to-speech feature to make it read the text out loud in the video. So that's gonna be about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll catch you in the future.